Check out this most big, manly, scary knife right here. This knife, I apparently misread the sizing on the website, so take note of it when you look at it. But this knife is, wait for it, it's this big. Small little thing, dainty tactical as I call it. This right here is the LA Police Gear Gentleman's EDC Mini, emphasis on the mini, folding knife. This knife is $14.99. It is a flipper, unassisted with ball bearing movement, and it just rockets right open. That blade is a 440B black stonewashed blade, LA Police Gear logo there. It does have thumb studs there if you are so inclined to use those, but when there's a flipper, I use the flipper because it's just much easier, and this flipper flies right open, no problem every time. The length on this one, it's fully open, 5 3/8 inches. The blade is 2 1/4 inches, and when it is folded up, you can tuck it away at a nice, small, and thin 3 1/8 inches. You can see how well it fits there in the palm of my hand. Looking around this knife on the outside here, there are G10 scales both sides with some, I don't know if those would count as fullers, but kind of sideways little design there. The pocket clip tip up, right-handed carry only. Deep carry pocket clip, but you're going to need some thin pockets to get it up under this part here because that's pretty tight, but the rest of it shouldn't be a big problem. Fits nice and small right in the palm of your hand. When it's open, you can see in there, there's a liner lock and just locks right down out of the way. There's some jimping up here onto the thumb ramp if you're so inclined, and in your hand it is obviously nice and small. Uses for this knife, this is a great knife to have when you need just enough knife because it's obviously small. Maybe you're going to use it to open some boxes around the house, or maybe you're going somewhere dressed where you can't carry a big knife, but you still want some cutting abilities, so you can use this. If you like this knife but want a little bigger version of it, there is the Big Brother right here, which I will review separately. Stick around for that. But otherwise, this is the LA Police Gear Gentleman's EDC Mini folding knife. Check it out. Links down below.